In this lesson we're going to look at how to pass the first questions in the unit assessment. So let's have a look at the question first. A straight line with gradient -3 passes through the point -2, 8. Determine the equation of this straight line in its simplest form. Now this question is all about knowing the formula for the equation of a line when you don't have the y-intercept. Now the formula is y take b equals m bracket x take a. This will not be in the formula sheet in the unit assessment, and it won't be in the formula sheet for the final exam. You must learn this. Now, the gradient is the m part, and we know from the sentence this is -3, so we'll just write m equals -3. And also the point is -2, 8 that it passes through. So what I would encourage you to do is write just a wee a on top of that, and a b on top of that. A is your x coordinate and b is your y coordinate. Now it's a case of feeding information in and then simplifying to get your 2 marks. So y take away b, which is 8, so we'll write y take away 8 equals m's -3 bracket x take away -2. Now because you're subtracting -2, that really means +2. By all means put take away bracket -2 and then simplify to that. I've just went straight to +2. Okay, now what we want to do is multiply the bracket by the -3. We're going to leave the y take away 8 alone on this side, so we're just going to rewrite it again. Now -3 times x is -3x. And we have to be careful here because we're doing -3 times 2, which is -6. And just to finish off, if you add 8 to both sides, because that will give you y, so plus 8 here, -6 add 8 is 2, and that's your final answer. Okay, let's look at question 2. Solve the inequation 5y take away 15 is less than 3y take away 2. Now the starting point for this is to get rid of this 3y. You're trying to get all the y's on this side and all the numbers on this side by taking them over. Now when you take something over to the other side, you do the opposite. So that 3y is a plus 3y. So we want to take it away from both sides. So you can put a wee take away 3y here, and the same on the other side, a wee take away 3y here. Now what that leaves you with is if you take 3y from 5y, you get 2y. We've still got the take away 15, we've still got the less than sign, and we've still got the -2 there. I now want to get that 15 over here. Now that's a take away 15, so I want to add it. So you do the opposite, and I want to add it to the other side as well, the other side of the inequality. So if I add 15 here, that cancels with the take away 15, so I'm left with 2y. And less than -2 plus 15 is 13. Finally, if you half it in the end, you get 6.5, or 13 over 2, that's also okay. Okay, question 3. The Smith family visit a new attraction in Glasgow. They paid £27.50 for 2 adult tickets and 4 child tickets. So this is a setup really for a simultaneous equation question. However, it's not getting you to solve the simultaneous equation, it's actually just getting you to represent one of the simultaneous equations. So let the adult tickets be x, so there's 2 of them, the child ticket be y, there's 4 of them, so basically 2x and 4y come to the total amount there, and that's your answer.